Hi. I'm Catherine. I'm a mechanical engineer with Rio Tinto focused on mobile equipment, and I've been here for the last 2 years. I'm typically described as solutions-focused, resourceful, and curious. So I specifically focus on solving problems that happen and try to prevent them from happening again. Well, I think relationships are really important because you can make all the changes in the world, but if you don't actually listen to people and what they need and what they want and actually understand that, then your solutions will never be accepted. I think my role is basically taking the where are we now and where we want to be and trying to figure out the solutions that get there. I get someone asking me, hey, can we do this? And my whole job is to take us from here to there and finding the best way to do that with the most efficiency possible and the safest way possible. Finding better ways to be the best operator that we can. I'm Catherine and I'm finding better ways.